Yo, Wagwan peeps, you don't know say boy there again. Mr. Yo, me always have faith in humanity, you see me? Me always trust people to a certain degree, but after watch a video, my mind change, me not trust nobody again. You see me? So me need to go holding longer because we don't need no introduction for this. So yo, check this out right now. What the mama post joke go on here, son? Bomba star Miracle BZ. I walk. Okay.
Ngicela usikhiphe sonke engakusearch ne. Wahamba nobani? Why?
Woman got a store pan.
No, we're busy with them. Others they dropped. Still busy. Jesus. Ngicela ungitshela iqiniso ne? What's happening e-fitting room? Uyazi bani lapha e-fitting room? Ngicela ungitshela iqiniso ngizokuyekela. Because ufaka yenzi nawe kuphela. Ngicela ungitshela iqiniso. Usebenza nobani lapha e-fitting room? Who are you working with e-fitting room? I will leave you. Just tell me that. You will never come here yenza lento uyenza. Isibindi singaka? We-one.
What grandma? Sorry, mama, if you watch this. Yo!
Mana femenina. Quítate el chaleco, por favor. ¿Ya no traes nada? No. Alô, boa noite. Oi, eu ia aproveitar o celular. Olha pra mim. Tá, meu celular foi fechado. Acabamos de colocar o celular. O celular não tá aqui com o nosso saldo.
Yo, Jano Star. Jano Star. MPP shock my brain. I couldn't believe I just watch. People thief in a man. Yo. I don't know what to say, but people, if you like the video again, please like, share and subscribe. The one that deserve a share. Share it to all your friends on Facebook. Tell them to go watch it. I appreciate the support, you see me? Peace out. Love you. Yeah, man.